The United States has made yet another verbal offer for the fifth-generation F-35 Lightning II stealth aircraft to India. Vice President J.D. Vance renewed previous pitch for F-35 fifth-generation stealth fighters to India during his ongoing visit to India. The Chinese People's Liberation Army has begun testing advanced fiber-optic drones, aimed at overcoming electronic warfare defenses. These drones uses lightweight fiber-optic cable to transmit signals between drone and its operator, bypassing radio frequencies that are vulnerable to electronic jamming. Russia has altered its drone strike tactics, employing larger formations and higher altitude approaches in recent attacks on major cities. Over the past several weeks, Russian drones widely used in strikes have begun flying at altitudes of 2,000 to 2,500 meters, forming groups of up to 20 drones for simultaneous attacks on urban targets. Japan has agreed to provide satellite imagery to Ukrainian intelligence following negotiations held earlier this year. According to the reports, Japan's Institute for Kyushu Pioneers of Space will supply Ukraine with satellite images obtained via synthetic aperture radar reconnaissance.